Hello everyone, welcome back to Mixie Trixie's healthy and tasty recipes. In this video, we are going to show you how to make delicious, tangy and healthy pickle berry pickle. Pickle berry pickle is a traditional Indian condiment that is loved by many for its spicy and sour flavors. Join us as we take you through the step-by-step process of making this mouth-watering pickle. We'll start by selecting the perfect raw pickle berries and then proceed to cut and marinate them with a blend of aromatic spices. For this, dry roast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, then 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Blend them to get smooth mustard and fenugreek powder. In the meantime, heat the pan with 2 cups of cooking oil. After turning off the flame, add 20 to 25 garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, cumin, vignamingo and chickpea. The oil should be cooled to room temperature. Add a cup of red chilli powder, salt, mustard and fenugreek powder that has been prepared earlier to the pickle berries. Ensure that all the ingredients are mixed well. In the final step, mix the cooking oil with the other ingredients we prepared earlier. That's it. The pickle is then left to mature for a few days, allowing the flavors to develop and intensify. Whether you are pickle enthusiast or just looking to try something new, this recipe is sure to impress your taste buds. The combination of the tangy pickle berries with the heat from the spices creates a perfect balance of flavors that will leave you craving for more. So, if you are ready to embark on a culinary adventure and learn the art of making pickle berry pickle, then hit that play button and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes and food related content. Enjoy and happy cooking.